In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list view in Salesforce, an essential skill to enhance your data management practice. You'll find this walkthrough especially useful if you're aiming to make your Salesforce experience more organized and tailored to specific needs. First, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the app launcher. This tool is located at the top left of your interface and is essential for navigating through Salesforce's many features. After launching it, navigate to the object tab you are interested in. This might be accounts, leads, opportunities, or any other object that matters to your workflow. Now look towards the top right corner of your records table. Here you'll find the gear icon, which signifies settings. Click on it. This opens a menu that allows you to customize various aspects of your Salesforce environment. From this drop-down menu, select New to create a brand new list view. As you embark on creating your list, you'll need to come up with a descriptive and purposeful name. Consider what you want to achieve, maybe new customers if you are focusing on recent additions to your customer base. This step is crucial as the name should clearly hint at the contents or purpose of the list for your future reference. Next, you'll be prompted to decide who among your Salesforce members can see this list view. You have options. It can be just for your eyes, shared with all users, or limited to specific groups. Choose according to the relevance and confidentiality of the data in your list. Once your choices are finalized, hit the Save button to secure your setup so far. Now, it's time for another layer of customization. Click on Add Filter. To refine your list's criteria, choose a field. For instance, you might select Name to focus on specific individuals. Following that, set the condition for this field. This could be as specific as names that start with John, allowing you to pinpoint data that fits your exact specifications. After setting your conditions, click Done, and remember to save these preferences to ensure they are applied to your list. Let's return to the gear icon once more. It's time to personalize what information appears in your list view. Choose Select Fields to display, allowing you to tailor which data columns are visible. You can move fields between available fields and visible fields to craft a view that aligns with your needs. Additionally, arrange the column order by clicking the up or down arrows next to each field name. This aspect is vital for optimizing how you scan and interpret the data. Finally, one last click on Save will ensure all your customizations are preserved, and there you have it, your very own list view ready to streamline and support your Salesforce operations.